wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight.
99, 2000. Hey, this is Tim. 99, 2000. Ford Ranger. Do an ignition switch. Basically, you're gonna take your you're gonna have two 7mm to take off right here where your hood latch is, and you'll have a couple more up underneath your trim right here, and then there are two pops out at the top. They just push you in. Okay, once you get that off, then you're gonna have some 8mm right here on this little shield. Just take that off, slide that over here, wherever you want to put it. Okay, this is your switch right here. Get you a light. You're gonna undo that. 7 right there on the side, and you got 2 torques. I think they're 30s right here on that side and on that side. We're gonna take all that apart and put a new switch in here. We'll set you up with a light so you can see a little bit better. Be right back. Like I said, that's a 7mm right there. We'll pull that off. That's how you unplug it. And we're gonna pull, like I said, I think these are T30s. Slide this out of the way there. Yeah, it is. All right. Alright, there's your switch. Alright, make sure you get this pin in here right. Make sure that they look the same. It is a O'Reilly Special. There's the part number. And here's your new bolts and stuff. Let's put that in. Okay, up here, make sure on your that you put your new switch. You're gonna have your little pin right here for the switch. Make sure it goes up in here where the pin is, right here. And use something like in there like that. You pretty much feel it when it gets in there. It's gonna take 2 hands, so give me just a second. All right, once you line it up, ain't too bad. Just line it up, kind of start it with your hands. Okay, and of course you put this back on. You can tighten up your 7. Okay. All right, and then you of course you reverse the order.